Hello and welcome back to another nail video. Today I am doing long Coffin polygel nails, and of course I am starting off with a very thin layer of Madam Glam's base coat, and I'm just going to apply this to each nail, and then I'm going to cure these nails for 30 seconds. And I'm super excited about today's set. I am using some very pretty bright colors, and it's definitely giving a springtime themed set. So cute. I can't wait for you all to see it. And for today's set, I'm using Roslyn Clear Polygel, alcohol as my slip solution, and my gel brush. And I begin by applying a nice amount of the product down the center of the nail. And then I just use my brush to pat that product down. I want to make sure that the nail is completely covered with product. And then I just push that product back towards the cuticle area. Now, I will constantly clean up around my cuticle area because I don't want to cure any of the product onto my skin. And then I will just continue to pat this product down and work my way down towards the tip of the nail. And then I go ahead and remove that excess product, and I place it on my pinky because I don't want to waste any of the product. And then I'm just going to come back and repeat the same process on my pinky finger. I am going to use my brush to pat that product down and kind of push it back towards the cuticle area. I'm going to keep the cuticle clean and free of any of that product. And then I'm just going to work my way down towards the tip of the nail. And I will continue to pat the product down first, again, just to make sure that the nail is covered in its entirety. And then I'll go ahead and try to get that product as smooth as possible. And then I go ahead and remove the excess product. And just keep in mind, I am curing each nail for 60 seconds after I've completed the nail. I'm just not putting my entire hand in the lamp. I'm just putting whatever nail I've just completed in there to cure for 60 seconds. And this is just so the nail doesn't mess up while I'm still working on the rest of my hand. So I will just repeat these same steps on the rest of my nails. So I will just let you all watch and enjoy. Also, I wanted to mention that I will leave a link in my description box below for all the products that I used in today's video and any discount codes that I do currently have. And these are how the nails turned out. I went ahead and did my thumb off camera. And these are the nails after I have filed, shaped, and buffed these nails. So cute. And starting off for today's design, I am using Madam Glam gel polish in the color Pivot. And I'm just applying a very thin layer of this color to my middle finger and my ring finger. It is a really nice pinkish nude tone color. And so I am using this base color for my French tip that I'm going to be doing on my middle finger and my ring finger. So again, I'm just applying a very thin layer of this color to my middle finger and my ring finger. And then I'm going to cure it for 30 seconds. And then I will also apply another thin layer of this color and cure for 30 seconds. But I did apply the second layer off camera. Then I am using the color Snow White by Melody Susie, and it is the whitest white gel polish that I have seen in a very long time. I love it, and I'm just using this color and my Melody Susie striper brush to go ahead and paint a white French tip on my middle finger and my ring finger. And this is after 2 coats of that white polish. Next, I'm using this beautiful hot pink by the brand Critio. And I'm just applying a very thin layer of this color to my pinky finger as well as my thumb. And at the end, I decided that I wanted to do another French tip on my first finger. So you'll see I'm going to go back in and apply that nude color pivot by Madame Glam to my first finger. And this time I'm going to have a hot pink French tip on this nail. So after I apply the very thin layer, I go ahead and cure these nails for 30 seconds. And then again, I'm going to apply another thin layer off camera. And these nails are turning out so cute so far. Again, I am using my Melody Susie striper brush and this hot pink gel polish to create a beautiful French tip on my first finger. And if you haven't been following along my nail journey, I have been working on my French tips for the past few weeks. For the month or for the year of 2024, I said I really wanted to get better at doing French tips, and I am so extremely pleased with my progress. As I continue to practice, I definitely see the growth. And next, for today's nail art, I am using my dotting tool and this beautiful neon yellow color to create a nice, beautiful flower. Again, for today's set, it's kind of springtime theme. It's giving very light, bright colors, pastel colors. So yeah, that was the vibe for today's set. And it turned out so cute. I love these nails so much. They just put me in a happy mood because they're so pretty. So yeah, I'll just let you all watch and enjoy as I complete this nail art. I definitely will admit doing the nail art is one of my favorite parts about doing nails. You can just relax and get creative, and I love it so much. And I love this set. And these are how the nails turned out. I love them. They are so bright and pretty. The French tip looks so good. I love these nails so much. As always, I want to thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next nail video.